Alright, hi class. We're working on sine law here, and in this case we're looking at example number 2. It says a pole tilts toward the sun at an angle of 8 degrees from the vertical, and it casts a 22-foot shadow. The angle of elevation from the tip of the shadow to the top of the pole is 43 degrees. Okay, and the question is, how tall is the pole? Okay, so please pause the video, think about this for a minute. If you can solve it on your own, don't even bother watching the video. But pause it, think about it, and then when you get stuck, resume the video and we'll solve it together. Okay, so you've paused it, now you've resumed it, and we're going to get going. So, we know what the sine law is. It's A over sine A equals B over sine B. Whoops, not sine, but sine equals C over sine C. Okay, now the thing is, what we need to do is find out one of these ratios that we know and which one do we want to use. So, for example, the thing we want to know is A, little a. So we definitely want to include this part, A and sine A, which is great because we actually have the angle A already, and the length of side A is what we want. So that's good, we want that one. And now what we have to do is find another ratio, whether B over sine B or C over sine C, which we know everything about it. Okay, so I would say the first clue is down here. We have little c already, so that's nice. So we have little c. Now, can we find the angle of capital C? Okay, that's this angle up here. Well, we don't know it immediately, but we can actually find it not too difficult, because let's look at angle B here. Angle B is a 90-degree angle because of this square, plus a little bit more of an angle. So actually, B is 90 plus 8. So B is actually 98 degrees. Okay, well, if B is 98 degrees and A is 43, that means we have 98 degrees plus 43 degrees plus angle C in total, because they make up a triangle, must be 180 degrees. Okay, so let's do a little bit of math here. Angle C equals 180 minus 98 minus 43. And that is 39 degrees. Okay, so we have angle C. I should make that one a little bit bigger. Angle big C. Okay, so there we go. We have angle C. So great. We have this whole thing now. We have little c, we have big C. We're ready to go. Okay, I'm going to switch colors so we can see what's going on. So little a we want to know. Sine of capital A we already know. Capital A is 43. So this is just a number. We know what it is. We can calculate it. Little c we also know, which is 22. That's over here. And then sine of capital C, which we just figured out that capital C is 39 degrees. So we're ready to go. We've got a little ratio we can cross multiply. Maybe you want to stop the video right now and solve this, or if you want to keep watching, that's okay too. So here we go. We're going to do cross multiplication. So basically we have 22 sine 43 degrees equals A sine 39 degrees. And A is our unknown, so we divide both sides by sine 39, and we end up with 22 sine 43 degrees divided by sine 39 degrees. Okay, that is an exact answer, and if we want to find a decimal approximation, then let's just calculate it now. Okay, so here we have 22 sine 43 divided by sine 39. And just double check always, I'm working with degrees here, so better make sure, and I gotta be in, over in degree mode. There we go. And let's hit enter. Voila. Does this answer make sense? Could A be 23? Yeah, seems to make sense based on our picture. So I would say that's right, 23.84. A equals 23.84, and our units are feet. Wonderful. Got the answer. Okay, enjoy.